we're excited to see its impact. The ABB Formula E is more than just a racing series. It's a platform for innovation, a showcase for sustainable technology,
all in all, again, I do wish you all a wonderful business forum, I would say. I know I was just conveyed earlier that there will be a very distinguished panel in which everybody here will be able to see and learn from. And again, I hope that this can pave way to, again, future collaborations.